Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Colte in Oklahoma. And this Ranger RCI Longhorn Superior N6. Colte got it ready to go for you, bud. You selected our standard tune and alignment, the LED fan upgrade in red, and we got you that fuse holder too, okay? Let's just get right to it. Gonna start with our power all the way down. Kick a light on here. 250 watt slug. Around 25 all the way down. Excuse me. Show you average power swing. Hello. Getting about 150 bird average from all the way down. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 680 or so. Take roll our power all the way up. 125. Show you average power swing. Hello. 250 in the corner. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. And still there's that 680. Alright, Colte is ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. We've got these fans in red, blue, purple, and white, I believe. Maybe green too, I'm not sure. Alright, appreciate you. Check us out. Follow and like us on YouTube from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.